Hi friends, in this video I will explain you about HTML forms in Laravel. So let's make a form in Laravel. First of all, we will start our project. Go to your project directory. Start the project. PHP artisan serve. Okay. Now copy this URL. Paste it here. Not found. Okay. Welcome page will come here. Okay. Now go to command prompt again. Go to your project directory. CD Laravel project CD. Make a controller. PHP artisan make controller user controller. Okay, open your VS Code. Here controllers are there. Okay, here no user controller is there. Just run it. It will create user controller for you. Open this. Define a function here. Public function index return view user. We don't have any user view, we will create it. Now save it. Let's define the route for this. Route colon get user, then your controller user controller colon class comma your function name is index. Save it, semicolon, go up, define your controller here, user controller. Save it. Now go to views, create a view, user dot blade dot php. Okay, here we will write user form. Let's check it. What is our route? User. So type here user. So user form is coming. Okay, now let's make a form. Go to Bootstrap, go to get started, copy this CSS, go to user view, remove this. Okay, here paste the link that you have copied for CSS. Now copy the link for JS. Again go to Bootstrap, copy another link for JS. Now we will make a form. Go to body, go to Bootstrap, type here form, go here down, copy this form, copy any form, just I will copy this, go paste here, save it, remove the unnecessary things which you don't need. I will remove this, I don't need this. Okay, here ID I need email, name also email, then again For password also do the same thing. I think so far so good. Let's see the form now. So we got it. Let's make it align. Div dot container. Okay, then div dot row, div dot call 4. Okay, no need to close. So now our HTML form is okay. This checkbox is coming. Remove that checkbox. I don't need that. Remove this whole div. Okay. Now go to the form. Add a method here. Method is equal to post. Action is equal to, we will define a URL here. URL. Okay, now URL will be user when we submit it. Submit. Here double quotes, double quotes. Now we have to define a route for this. User submit route. Our method for submitting form is post. So here we will write post. Then what is our URL? User submit. Then user controller colon class, then we will call which function? Submit. Okay, so now go to your user controller, make a function, public function. What is the function name? Submit. When we will submit the form, we will call this function submit. Okay, echo form submitted. Let's try this. Okay, error on line 40, semicolon missing. Okay, go here, semicolon, try it again. So submit the form, try to submit the form. I'll write admin@gmail.com, admin submit. Now why this error is coming? 491 page expired. Go to your form, type here CSRF, save it. This is for authentication purpose. It will pass a token for security purpose. Now let's refresh it, continue. I saved this form, go back, admin@gmail.com, admin. Again this error is coming. Why? Go back, refresh, admin@gmail.com, admin, submit. See, so form submitted. I think I haven't refreshed this form, that's why it is giving me an error. Now we will see what we are getting from post. Go to user controller. Here pass a parameter request $request. Here type return $request all. So it will return me all the things what I will put in the form. Let's see. admin@gmail.com, admin, submit. So now see, because of CSRF it is giving me a token. This is my email and this is my password. Now we will see individual request. Go to your submit function. Here instead of $request all, put input your email. What is the name in the form? Email. Then same thing for password. I will check the name for the password. I'll copy from here, paste, then return $email, then $password. Save it. Let's go to the form and submit the form again. admin@gmail.com, admin. Now see, it is giving me email as well as my password. So friends, this is all about HTML forms. I hope you like this video. Thanks.